Hello everyone and welcome to AutoCAD Electrical Training course. My name is Furuk Jahangard and I'll be your instructor in this course. My goal is to make available the highest quality training. In this training course, I'm going to focus on essential tools to create desired drawings in AutoCAD Electrical. AutoCAD Electrical is one of the most widely used tools for creating industrial drawings. By using the features included in AutoCAD Electrical software, you can easily draw all kinds of components and parts of electrical circuits. This course is divided into several parts, and each part provides explanations in details. First, we will cover the interface of AutoCAD Electrical. After that, in section 2, we will learn about working with projects and also drawings, how to create projects and drawings, and work with them. In the next part, wire and wire numbers tools and how to edit or modify them, also using signal arrows and cable markers, but providing examples will be explained. After that, we will learn how to create ladder and modify it. In the next section, some needed tools in draw panel for creating desired shapes will be presented and also working with status bar. Components and editing them and also using parent and child components will be covered in the next parts. After that, creating panel footprint drawings and editing them will be provided. In the next section, you will learn how to work with connectors and circuits and modify them. Working with terminals and also editing jumpers will be explained in the next part. In the next section, using PLC modules and editing them will be presented. After that, we will present creating new symbols and how to add them. Also, we will learn how to update title blocks. Preparing report consists of different information in your drawing will be explained in the next part. Also, auditing the drawings and applying the related tools will be provided. And by the end of this course, you will be able to create your desired drawing.